Hi, I'm Ernie Francis Jr. I'm the 2017 reigning Trans Am champion, and I won my last 4 championships with Katech-powered. Katech engines for us have been amazing in the last 4 years that we've used them. They've been reliable and given us great power every race, and they've never let us down. Working with Katech has been a dream. They're always at the track ready to help us out. They're a phone call away when we're at test, and it really just makes it really seamless, getting the power down at the track and then working on it when we need to get it faster. So we're here at the Katech CNC lab. So tell me, what's so important about having a CNC lab in-house?
Really, Ernie, the importance of having a lab here at Katech is we're able to engineer a product, through the design phase, the engineering phase, and we can go directly into the prototype and manufacturing phase of it. We can go from an idea to a finished product without skipping a beat. It allows us the versatility to develop a larger quantity of products, a larger scope of products for a larger number of vehicles, and really control the process in-house as well.
The design comes in and goes right back out really quick, rather than having to wait for other people to get the stuff done.
Absolutely.
So this thing behind us is pretty new and pretty cool. Can you tell me a little about what it does?
It is. This is our new Centroid A560. It's a full 5-axis CNC vertical mill. Its primary purpose in life is to provide reproduction, scanning abilities. We can digitize the head, we throw it on there, we can digitize the ports, we can digitize the chambers, we can replicate those across the board. We get the advantages of CNC, which is geometrically equal ports. They're consistently performing, consistently machined all the way across the board in a very low amount of time. It was certainly a huge step up in productivity for us and capability. It's a much newer machine than what we had, and we found it really great for getting all of our cylinder head products to market in record time. What used to take us weeks to do now takes us a day, maybe 48 hours that we can complete the same process.
Yeah, that's awesome. You guys have some really cool stuff here.
Thank you.